All right, so after last week's episode where we had just a fantastic time doing some upland game, that evening we headed up to northeast Saskatchewan for some waterfowl hunting. Enjoy the show. All right, so we're gonna be pulling into waterfowl camp in about 20 minutes. It is almost 10:30 in the evening. It's been a long day. It's been a fun day, but a long day, so looking forward to meeting the boys, getting camp set in, maybe get a little sleep tonight before our morning hunt, but pretty excited to just kind of get there and settle in.
No, I got a little rumsicle.
Okay, well, we brought some.
I don't drink. Mike,
Brandon,
good to meet
nice
you, Mike.
to meet you as well.
How you doing, brother?
Good, how are you, man?
How's that elk tasting?
Oh, never
Good?
better. I brought some. I
Did
brought
ya?
some steak.
Yeah, I got a couple. I got the inside tenderloins.
Did you
We're
bring
gonna,
'em? I did, yeah.
we're
100%
gonna
I did.
Smoke up tomorrow and
Oh man, from the day we already had today.
yeah,
Oh,
it's only gonna get better.
I can't wait because today was for like we were limited out with chickens by like 9:45 this morning. We got 10 chickens, and then because we had Brooke with us, and then the Huns were a little harder. It was like there wasn't a lot of cover.
Yeah.
So they would flush really early. I just don't see stuff like this.
What's that?
We don't waterfowl hunt like this in BC. Like it just
trashy. It's just I just throw in extra pea stubble in case
Oh, yeah.
you're in a field that's bare. And then
what's
keep
it
around your
what's it
lines.
looking like for tomorrow morning?
I'll show you some videos here shortly. I know
Do you guys
it's,
do some scouting tonight?
Oh yeah, I've been out 2 nights in a row here this morning.
And
last
it's
night.
looking pretty good.
Probably
You gonna get you some geese?
3,000 honkers,
No.
snows, specs, about 400 or 500 specs.
Yeah.
In the same field?
And
No, but you run any color?
gotta say, being very conservative, 2,500 to 3,000 ducks, mallards.
Like, are we talking in the same field or just a couple different locations?
Block.
What?
Yeah.
I don't know.
have a
I
spot
can't
and
even
scope
fathom
on
these.
these,
Morning, guys. So it's Friday morning, almost just after 5. We're just getting ready, getting the decoys are in the trailer, loaded, ready to go. So we're gonna head out, meet Blair at the field, and then we'll get the spread set up. Mr. Mitchell.
Oh my!
Apparently this is where all the slob hunters arrive.
Holy!
The legend.
25 minutes late yet, boys. Disappointed in
You know,
you.
let's talk to B about this.
He says,
let's-
"Oh yeah, I'll be here at 5. What time is it?"
5:30.
Oh, I'm just kidding. Sweet. All right, Blair. You guys get ready.
Who's calling it?
I am.
Okay.
Next time the ducks, if they're coming backwards, they're getting. 3 ducks. Right above us, you guys, right here. Woohoo! Get ready. Take them. Oh, I got that one. Take them, Mark. Rip them, boy. There's the second one. Good dog. Find the bird community to pick up this. Yeah, we got birds down. We're gonna bring that. Good girl. Good dog. It's a lesser. Everybody bring them in. There's this dog's coming behind us. Not so front, sweet.
Put them in behind us. They're coming in.
Don't worry, guys. Dad came in and got it. Boom! Oh, how's that fall? Woo! Get that up? Yeah, that's a good dog!
She is working unreal. That's 70 yards.
Oh, they'll still throw it.
Good dog! Catch up! Oh yeah. Eat them, boys, eat them. Good dog. Good girl. Do you get that, Dawson?
Oh yeah.
Fetch that bird up. Good dog. You buying one? No.
Run, boy, run!
Fetch it up. Down here.
Pick it up, boy. That's it.
Shoot him right. Lead him. There you go, boy.
They're coming in over the deck.
Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Pair out front, guys. Take this pair. Take him, guys. Good girl. Good girl, bird.
I'm done.
Get that bird! Get that bird, Callie! That's it. Yeah, good dog! What? That's a good dog! Now who's getting clothes on? Hold that bird.
Oh, it's Gad. That's
Hold
it's
that
Gad.
bird. there to pick up an excuse. Heel. Dead bird.
This is awesome, Muc.
Good girl. Oh, that looks like Buck.
Landon, get out of the way. It was a dog. You're stealing her shine.
Good calling, guys.
Good dog. I got that one. I'm taking that one. Get him!
All right, guys, so we're just finished our morning hunt and we got 74 birds, and just what a great hunt this morning. Thanks Blair and Brandon for doing lots of the scouting. This was just a fantastic morning shoot, so we're gonna head back and clean up the birds and see what this evening brings.
Look at that one, broke his.
Dude, that's so sharp. What kind of knife is that? The sharpest knife I've ever used.
So we're just gonna go out and do some waterfowl scouting, which is kind of a neat aspect and something that I've never been a part of. We're just gonna go and try and find where these geese are landing and hopefully set up for tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go out, scout some fields, pin them, and in that way we can gauge how many birds are landing in certain areas and then make a plan for the morning.
It looks like you're lifting right there, like they're coming right off that roost. Where am I?
On that field, that southeast wind wouldn't be as ideal.
Well, that's Kevin's too. I thought that's a go. And Dalvin's. Definitely a go for it.
Yeah, their heads are up.
There, to be honest.
Right now it looks like it.
Yeah, there is. That's full. Look at the trees there. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Like when you can see them from here.
Yeah, baby, we're going in there.
Wonder if we could get a little better advantage going back down that road. This isn't a bad option with that slough for a high, but there's...
Well, they are tight to that slough.
Well, today was quite the day. I'm bagged. It was a long day. Some of the boys are still up, but I think it's time for this guy to hit the sack. We got an early morning. Lots of geese coming in. The wind looks to be perfect, so yeah, I think it's time to just hit the sack and rejuvenate for tomorrow's morning hunt. It's our last morning, so pretty excited. It was an epic morning this morning, so get this done and yeah, just had a lot of fun with the boys, meeting a lot of them for the first time, so that was super fun. And yeah, I'm just excited to finish this trip out with a bang. So get some shut-eye and see you in the morning. Alright, so we're at the field this morning and we're kind of on a burnt, I believe it's a lentil field, and apparently it's like popcorn for the geese, and there was hundreds and hundreds of geese here last night. So we're gonna get the decoys unloaded, get the blind set up, and get ready for daybreak. So super excited. Last hunt this morning, it's been awesome so far, so hopefully we can go out with a bang. All right, here, I'll do the video send off. Come back here. I'm already recording, so we got all the Slob Mob in there, Muc.
Yep. Awesome.
Yeah. All right, well, we just finished our morning hunt for this morning. I'd like to thank Blair for arranging the waterfowl, and Muc for having me out, and the whole crew here today. Just a fantastic week of upland and waterfowl. So just thanks for everybody to coming out, and the pooch just ran really good as well. So just a great hunt this week. So all right, Slob Mob crew out. I thought I'd throw that in there for you, Muc. Well, we just finished packing up here. Gonna be hitting the road. Got a pretty long trip back, but man, what a weekend. I can't thank Muc Simons enough for arranging this hunt here in Saskatchewan, and Brandon Letang for setting us up at his farmhouse here during the waterfowl hunt, and Dawson at Amanchuk stepped up, ran camera while we were here. Just such a group effort, you know. It's such a great community, you know, the hunting community, where people just want to work together, want to work with you and make things successful. I feel so blessed. I couldn't thank the guys enough, and I really cannot wait to come back here. I mean, upland, second to none. Waterfowl, second to none. Just a fantastic experience for a BC boy like me, and I just cannot wait to come back here. So we're gonna get on the road. We're gonna get a fair ways today and finish up tomorrow, and I can't wait to see my wife and kids. You know, they're just also so awesome. You know, this season so far has been really great, but it's also been, you know, a bit of a sacrifice. I always miss my kids. I love hunting, but I love my family, and it's gonna be a quick turnaround. We got 3 days back home once we get there, and then it's gonna be out to the mountains to Sickanee River Outfitters, and we're gonna be hitting it up, hitting the bison. Got the stick and string all tuned up, meeting the brother-in-law Travis. He's driving up from Kamloops. He's also got a bison tag as we drew the shared hunt together. So quick turnaround, hitting the mountains for the last big hunt of the year. It's gonna just be off the charts. So all right, well, we're gonna just hop in the truck and get out of here.